what is the word you're picking up on the ground? We were speaking to some local Bangladeshi channel and newspaper reporters on the ground in Dhaka, and they are saying that there is intense speculation that Sheikh Hasina may step down, and probably why you're seeing the pictures on the right-hand side of your screen. Students are already celebrating upon hearing this word, upon hearing speculation that the Prime Minister is stepping down.
Well, Dhaka, I have managed to speak to a senior officer serving on a senior rank in Sheikh Hasina's government in Dhaka, and he has confirmed to me that within 10 minutes you will get to know big announcement coming from Dhaka. He was referring to Army Chief's press conference. Even Dhaka, you know that this press conference got delayed by half an hour. Right now, we can confirm this for our viewers, Dhaka, that Army Chief is in a meeting with all political parties of Bangladesh, including Jamaat-e-Islami, the same party which was banned by Sheikh Hasina. The meeting is currently underway, and right after meeting the political party, this big announcement is expected to take place. By half an hour, this announcement got delayed. I did manage to speak to senior officials in Dhaka, and they are confirming that be ready for surprise, be ready for big announcement. When I asked them, what is it? Can you give some more details? Dhaka, we cannot talk to people back in Dhaka because there's a clampdown. So whatever little we could manage to speak to them is on WhatsApp and some other social media platforms. So they are saying only wait for 10 minutes and the big announcement is going to take place. So that the clear signals have come from Dhaka and directly from the horse's mouth, Dhaka. This we can break for our viewers. Army Chief is in a meeting with all political parties, including Jamaat-e-Islami. The scenarios, Dhaka, could be that Army may take over the country and will give respectful exit to Sheikh Hasina. Also would like to draw your attention, Dhaka, to the visuals that have been going around on social media platforms since morning, that there are convoys of vehicles going to the tarmac, to the airport, and even lot of luggage and it looks like that some VIP is traveling from Dhaka airport. So black convoy of black cars, those visuals are getting widely circulated on social media platform. So let's
Siddharth,
not
just give me
jump
one
to
moment.
any.
Salim Samad is a reporter who's joining us live from Dhaka. Salim, thank you very much for speaking with us. What is the latest that you're hearing? There's a lot of speculation that the Prime Minister, Sheikh Hasina, is stepping down. What can you say to us with authenticity about speculation around that news about the PM stepping down?
Thank you very much for having me. The Prime Minister has resigned at 1:15, which is a breaking news.
Okay.
Number two, she has already is taking a flight to Helsinki. That is what has been reported. This has not been confirmed, but she has taken a special flight. And obviously, you can understand, because of a special flight, you have to have clearance from other countries, which overflies. So
I want you to underline that again for our viewers. You are saying that all Bangladeshi channels, newspapers, publications are reporting that Sheikh Hasina has stepped down at 1:15 p.m. Did you say local time?
This is already the Daily Star, the most independent newspaper in Bangladesh, has already reported. Quoting AFP, the French news agency.
And also they are reporting the fact that she's taken a flight, left the country, you're saying reportedly to Finland.
Reportedly. So I'm not confirmed. This will be confirmed in the next few minutes, that she has taken a flight to Helsinki. And there can be a lot of questions why she's going to Helsinki, why not London, why not to Delhi. But I'm lucky that she's very lucky. She's not flying to Delhi. So that would have tainted.
Yeah, I'll come to the Delhi part of the equation in 1 second. But Mr. Samad, can you tell us how things came to such a pass that the Prime Minister had to step down? Because she just got a renewed mandate, I think, earlier this year.
Just 6 months.
6 months ago, yes.
Pakka 6 months before.
So how did it come to such a pass that she had to step down?
There are two major things that you have to take into cognizance. Number one is the widespread corruption. She has not cracked down during the election campaign. She promised that there will be a crackdown on the election corruption, especially on the money laundering, especially on those who have bought properties, which is called the Begumpara. I mean, that's not a real name, but Begumpara is a very popular word. And all his disciples in the Awami League, rank and file, have been taking a lot of opportunities in not only in taking money, extortion. That is an open secret. The newspaper is tired publishing those news. And what is more important, that Delhi has never taken this into cognizance.